This is a 2010 Volvo XC90. I'm doing the rain guards or wind deflector, whatever you want to call them, from Team Heko. Now, you can watch plenty of videos that show these getting put on. You put one side in, then you slide up the other side, and then you bow it out to get it in here and make sure all the seals are good. But they come with clips here. So that's for the front, that's for the back. Those are the spots they want you to put it. But when I put them in there, it was catching. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a little pair of needle nose, and then something like this, whatever you can use. I mean, a flat screwdriver will work, but this won't do as much damage to the seal. So let me get positioned here. So they wanted the seals all on top, and it wasn't working for me. So I put the well, not seals, the clips up, and the seals up here. But I put this clip, security clip, right here under this seal, and it's pretty simple. You just reach in and, let me switch hands here, just kind of pull out like that, and you can slide upwards, slide the clips in there, and then you just take your flathead screwdriver and you'll just push in. So you'll have to make sure you're in the right spot right here when you go push this clip in, because you can't really slide them once they're in, but you can get them back out, and it doesn't really do anything to the seal when you do it like that. This back one's a little trickier, so let me see here. So it's right there, but you have to hold. This is really hard to do. One hand and try to figure out where I'm at. You'll have to hold this seal down and push that in, because it's really tight right here. And use the screwdriver and you push it in, and then it now misses, because before it's just hitting the bottom. So turn it back up some. I do not know why this doesn't want to stay in focus. But yeah, it is hitting the bottom on both sides. So they wanted the clips here and here. I put them there. It didn't make any difference. So now that they're in, I don't have to worry. And they're pretty low profile. And then this front one, they want right here and right here. So you do the same thing. You just pull the rubber down and push the clip in right here with the screwdriver. But right here, come on, right here I was hitting really good. So, and of course it doesn't want to focus, but I did the same thing in the back. There it goes. Did the same thing, put it right here, and now it goes up automatically, doesn't catch. So, like the back doors, Put them on the sides, at least that's where I put mine. You gotta use caution. It doesn't seem to be much pressure, but you still want to watch all this stuff here. So, and then on these ones right there. But this is what it looks like with them on. And now that I can roll the windows up and down without having to hold them, they work even better. So hopefully this helps anyone that has a rain guard, wind deflector, whatever you want to call them. Just mess around with the clips, go real slow, make sure everything clears, and you should be good.